If you see the water in fuel filter warning light in a Nissan vehicle, this most likely means that you've installed an incorrect fuel filter. Although the filters for various engine types may look the same and be easy to install, they should be compatible with your car by their part numbers, not just shape and design. All modern diesel filters are equipped with water sensors to detect any water contamination of the fuel in your car, and these sensors work in different ways for various engine types and even software versions. So if something is wrong in the system, the filter will throw this water and fuel filter light on the dash. If you haven't replaced the filter and suddenly see this light, you should try draining water from the filter. It's possible that you have bad quality diesel fuel in the tank and there is water in it. So the filter is doing its best to separate water from fuel. In this case, you may need to have the fuel tank taken off and cleaned before you buy good fuel and continue driving. If you don't see any water draining from the filter, the most likely culprit of this annoying light is the broken water sensor in the filter. While these sensors are replaceable, it's very hard to find the one that you need, so in most cases you will choose to install the new filter assembly. Fortunately, it's not that expensive and is quite easy to install in these cars.